we will see in this class how to create copies of objects in rectangular and circular patterns, and along a path. To get started, open the available file. We will begin by creating 8 rectangular copies of the furniture present in this room, distributed in 2 rows and 4 columns. To do this, we activate the rectangular array command in the Modify panel of the Home tab. Then we select the objects to be copied and hit Enter to confirm. See that the Array Creation tab is displayed, and it is in it that we will configure how the command will be applied. In columns we inform the number of columns, which will be 4, and the distance between them, which will be 2.58. In rows we inform the number of lines, which will be 2, and the distance between them, which will be 2.11. We finish the application of the command by pressing Enter or clicking this button. Moving on, let's create 8 copies of the chair around the meeting table. To do this, we activate the command Polar Array by clicking the arrow next to the command Rectangular Array. We select the chair and confirm it with an Enter. It is now requested to select a base point for the copies, which will be the center of the table. See that the Array Creation tab is displayed again, but now with the settings pertaining to creating circular copies. In Items we define the quantity of copies. The value of the field below is updated automatically because it refers to the angle of spacing between the copies, which will be positioned at 360 degrees. In rows it is possible to specify the number of concentric lines, the distance between lines and even an incremental value for different levels. Already in levels we control the number and distance between the levels. We can also associate the elements to be copied, change the base point, rotate or not the items to be copied, and change the direction of the copies. We finish the application of the command by pressing Enter or clicking this command. Finally, we will see how to create copies along a path using the command Path Array, accessed by clicking on the arrow shown. With the active command, we select the object to be copied and hit Enter. We select the path that will receive the copied objects. Now, in the Array Creation tab, in the Items panel, we inform the distance between the copies and press Enter or click the button to confirm the creation of the copies. And so we ended our class, where we learned to create copies in the rectangular and polar patterns, and along a path.